Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Aries. In this video, I'm going to be washing and styling my hair using only Crème of Nature products. It's their butter and flaxseed collection, and this box was sent to me from Influenster. So my hair was already washed and my hair was already finger detangled and twisted up in these sections. I had just taken out those crochet box braids I did in the previous video. So I'm just wetting my hair and getting ready to use the detangle and slip shampoo. And I just went ahead and squeezed the whole thing out, and I did get a pretty nice lather the first time, but it wasn't as much as I normally like. So I ended up opening the second little pouch after I rinsed this out. I opened up the second pouch to shampoo my hair twice, and of course I got a much better lather the second time. This shampoo did clean all the buildup in my hair really well, and it left my hair feeling pretty moisturized, which is always nice when a shampoo doesn't make your hair feel dry and brittle. So now moving on to the detangle and slip conditioner. I'm just putting this in each section and twisting the sections back up. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this didn't really do anything crazy to my hair when I first applied it. Like, it didn't, instantly melt in my hair or automatically melt away in detangles. So it didn't really help too much with the detangling, but it also didn't not help, if that makes sense. But after I had it in for a while, because it can be used as a rinse out or leave-in conditioner, and I decided to leave it in because that would be one less step that I have to do outside the shower. So after I showered and everything, and when I was about to put in my other products, I noticed my hair was feeling really soft and moisturized. So yeah, it does really condition your hair. It just didn't feel like it was doing anything special for me at first. Alright, so now I'm going to style my hair using the other products. I'm just doing some chunky braids, and I'm keeping the same size sections that I already have. So first, I used the Stretch and Define Pudding, which actually wasn't too thick. It kind of felt like some kind of whipped butter or something. I don't really know. But yeah, I used that first, and that really melted into my hair like how I expected the conditioner to do. But anyways, next I used the Curl Definer and Boost Spray, and I ended up just spraying this on my hands because it's always so hard to hold a spray bottle when there's water and product all over your hands. But yeah, I really like this product, and I normally don't like watery products because I feel like they don't do anything to my hair. but this one actually had some substance to it, and it did make it even easier to pull my fingers through my hair, and also helped my hair to be more defined when I take my braids out later. The last thing I used was the Elongate and Define Jelly, and this product definitely helps define your hair, and I feel like it would be really good for a wash and go, even though I don't do wash and goes because it's not really my cup of tea. But yeah, I used these 3 products in that order for all the sections, and I braided my hair. I didn't braid all the way down. Once I got towards the end, I split the hair in 2 pieces. I brushed the ends out a little bit, and I twisted the rest of the hair down. And yeah, I didn't use any oil until the next day when I took my hair down. Okay, so the next day I took down my braids using some Jamaican black castor oil, and everything was fine until I noticed all the flakes that were falling out of my head. And you can't really see it like on my hair, but as soon as I shake it a little bit, it's a whole flake shower. So yeah, you'll see me dusting off my jacket a lot, which was very annoying. But other than that, I do like how my hair turned out. I just got to figure out which product I need to cut back on to prevent all the flaking. But yeah, I'm just taking down my braids, and then I'll separate them and use my pick because I do prefer volume over definition any day. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I had fun trying out all these products. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want, and I'll see y'all in my next video.